This Authority Hacker Pro review video is going to go over everything you want to know about the course. We're going to go inside the members area. We're going to go over the dashboard, all the blueprints, or what I like to call the mini courses, the community, the cost, and everything in between. And so there are timestamps below. If you want to skip ahead to a certain section, you can do that just by clicking the timestamps below. Now, before we get into all of that, I want to inform you right now, Authority Hacker Pro, it's only open like 1 to 2 times per year. So if you buy Authority Hacker Pro, you also get enrollment into the Authority Site System, which is a $997 value. And if you want to learn more about that, I talk about that more in the Authority Hacker review as a whole, which I do have a video on the channel right now. So make sure to check the link down in the description if you want to check that out. And if you're on the fence and want to learn more, that's what this video is about. So let's get started. All right, so a quick overview of everything inside of Authority Hacker Pro is as follows. You get 450 plus video lessons, literally 450 plus video lessons inside of Authority Hacker Pro. You also get 17 blueprints. These are what I like to call mini courses. They call them blueprints, whatever you want to call them. But one of those actually include the Authority Site System, which is a full $1,000 course on its own. You get full transcripts of the video lessons, and all the videos now have captions, which is really cool. You also have copy and paste templates, SOPs, which if you don't know what that is, those are standard operating procedures for things like outsourcing and hiring. If you want to teach somebody, that's what you would show them. You have tool requirements and recommendations and tutorials for the tools that they use. You get free lifetime updates, so you don't have to pay for every time it comes out. You also get lifetime access to the Facebook community. You also get a 30-day money-back guarantee. You get full member support with a dedicated support team for the entire course for all the blueprints from Monday to Friday to 9 to 5. And you get their ongoing commitment to updating the course, which in my experience and what I've been through, they have constantly updated the course, and they're very active in their own Facebook community with all updates that they're going to make or have made. That's everything that is included in Authority Hacker Pro. So let's go on to my computer and let me show you the dashboard and the members area. All right, so right now we are inside the Authority Hacker member area. So if you are a member of Authority Hacker Pro, this is what you're gonna see when you log on and go to the blueprints tab up here. So as you can see, these are all the blueprints or mini courses that are included. So we got the email marketing blueprint, affiliate marketing, how to do giveaways, lead magnet creation, content promotion. We got selling your site, creating info products, evergreen funnels. We got the Authority Site System, which again, this is the stage 1 site creation course for beginners. Now, I talk about that in the Authority Hacker review video a bit more. We'll go over that in a second. We got the Shotgun Skyscraper Blueprint, which is for white hat link building, another way to do that. Editorial links with Hero Blueprint, so another way to get links. We got guest posting blueprint, keyword research blueprint, building your content team. We got the site speed blueprint, growth hacking tips and tricks, and the editorial system blueprint. So all of these are included in Authority Hacker Pro. So again, if you are new to Authority Hacker and what they teach, Authority Site System teaches you all about stage 1 sites. So stage 1 sites is where you just create a brand new website, you're getting it off the ground, and the Authority Site System course is all about that. So you got basically explaining it a little bit more what it's all about. You got the niche research and site planning, so how to make sure you choose the right niche and set it up correctly, all the market research that comes with that, how to set up your website, so domain names, themes, everything, all the plugins, everything you will need to set up to create your website successfully. And so the Authority Site System is based on how to create affiliate revenue from organic traffic, and that's what stage 1 is all about. Stage 2 and stage 3 is all of these other mini course blueprints. So if you want to learn how to get more revenue streams, other forms of traffic, how to create your own info products, how to get emails, that's what stage 2 and stage 3 is all about, and that's what Authority Hacker Pro teaches you how to do. And so really quickly, some of the most recent additions that they put on the Authority Hacker Pro course this year were things like getting on a podcast as a guest, testimonial link building. We got how to set up your ads easily, single review post templates, how to create child themes with Elementor, how to negotiate higher affiliate commissions, how to reverse engineer popular affiliate offers. So there's a lot of things that they're always updating, which I really love about Authority Hacker Pro as well. Next, let's let's talk about the community really quick. Another reason why I love Gail and Mark is because they are very active in their Authority Hacker Pro Facebook group. So they are very active in here. They answer a lot of questions, and whenever they do have updates, they update you regularly. Also, their support team is really good. So if you go to support at the top, you get to this page. So you get emails. You have the live chat option, which is down here. So get in touch if you want. You also have the Facebook community, which I just showed you. And then there's some frequently asked questions. These are all the support links for the common tools that you will use within the course itself. So you can do that as well here. So now let's talk about the Authority Hacker course price. Now, Authority Hacker Pro is $2,497 for a one-time payment, or $249 for 12 months. However, if you are an existing Authority Site System member, you get $500 off, so $19.99, or $50 off the monthly plan price, so $199 for 12 months instead, which again is only open 1 to 2 times per year. And so if you're looking for a course to help you save a lot of time, if you are just thinking about starting a website, if you're already past stage 1, whichever stage you're in, this course is going to help you. They put a ton of time and effort into this course to help you. It's no fake guru bullshit like a lot of the other fake gurus will tell you. This is a strategic plan of action. It is not a get rich quick scheme, which is why I love Authority Hacker Pro and the guys behind it so much. They don't promise that you're going to get rich quick. This is a hard thing to do. It is very hard to accomplish, but they give you the best plan of action to do so. And that's why I love Authority Hacker Pro. Again, remember, it is only open 1 to 2 times per year. So make sure to hop on it. There's a link down below if you want to learn more about Authority Hacker Pro. If you guys like this video, leave a like, comment down below if you have any questions. We'll answer them, and I will see you guys in the next video.